Big Hill Pond, West Tennessee. I'm having difficulty with this one, okay? Great. Every time I've been there, it was fabulous, great. My daughter, Anne Marie, said, "You be careful. Some of the trails are not marked very well." And I happened to go on one that was not marked very well. And I thought, well, not a problem. All I got to do is just keep going forward, and I will come to another blaze. Didn't. Had to backtrack. Went back to the car. It was a lollipop type trail. The trail went out, either loop to the right or to the left, make a loop, and you go right along the side of Rocky Knob. It was going to be great in the woods, and the blazing disappeared again. I ended up finding a old service road, overgrown service road. Followed it back, got to the road, went back to the car. I've never been lost in my life in the woods. My daddy taught me better. Not to complain without addressing the other side of the coin, okay? If you don't have a solution, you shut your mouth. I have a solution. If I lived in the area, I would volunteer with the rangers, park rangers, to go out with some paint, mark the trail. That's what you do. Be an adult. Help. Okay. Big Hill Pond. Not far from Shiloh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're here. Gonna go over here, up to here, over to here. Whoop. This, and back over here. And the trailhead starts right about here. Let's go over here and get the sign. Yeah, we're going to start out on the Fox Hollow Trail, which will lead us to the campground parking. We'll take the campground parking up to the Knox. Whatever it is. They have some of the most interesting blazes and the most hidden routes sometimes. And by looking at the trail, it is used frequent enough where path is clear. This is supposed to be a connector trail to get me over to the campground. Here's the nurse log. Yeah, you can tell something's been nursing on it. Let's do a 360. Look over in there, a little white line. That's the road coming in. There's the visitor center. You step over a log or a rock on a trail, you make sure you look on the other side to make sure there's not a snake waiting for you. Thank you, William. Smoky Mountain Hiker taught me that. One of his videos. I've been so busy hiking, I haven't been taking pictures. Doof me, huh? Doof me. There we go. Step over that root. Nailed it. I'm looking. Let me get it. There's a tree right there with a blaze on it. Gives me a hint that's where I'm going to end up being, down in there. Pretty nice walk so far. Kicking limbs off the trail. More nurse logs. Thank you, Gina, for helping me understand that. If I was researching that, they said nurse tree. And Gina looked it up as nurse logs. Makes more sense to be a nurse log. We're coming up to a fork in the road. Don't you just love it? Coming up to office or the lake. Look at this. That's a nice trail. I got to put that on my list to do. But we're going this way to the camping ground. Going to the campground. Maybe somebody's got some eggs, bacon, and pancakes to share with me. You think? look at that. Come on. Get your bad self out here. Come on. That's one of the creek crossings we're going to have in a little bit down there. That is some fabulous looking stuff. I like fabulous looking stuff. Moss Trail. You can feel the water trickling. Yeah, they worked on getting this trail done here a little bit. Oh, this is a nice downhill. I bet there's a good uphill on the other side of the creek. A little walk bridge. Very nice. Very nice indeed. This is the hiking trail. Ooh, with steps. Look at that. Ooh. You can see the trail going up the hillside. Campground just on the other side. There's only about 48 I got out of the van today. That's nice. Very nice hike so far. Thank you, Panther Creek people. A picture of this. How beautiful this area is. Okay. Just so you know, I'm a middle of the bridge walker. There's a reason for it. And this particular one, if you look at the nails, I want to educate. Nails. There's nails right there. And there's nails right there. Oop. And there's nails right there. Well, there's a nail, there's a truss underneath of it that you can trust. You don't have to trust more than just the boards. You trust the truss that the board is on. Oh, look at this. This is some good looking stuff right here. And I'm not even on the trail that we're wanting to take. I'm just on the connector that gets me to the trail. It should be before ticks and snakes, alligators, leprechauns, trolls. Maybe some fairies. Never know. I wonder. Okay. I'm going up the slope a little fast. Yeah. Look at how beautiful this is here. You can see the trail over there winding down to the bridge, and the trail winding up to here. I just realized I didn't take all my medicines. Oh, looky. Over. There he is. Not very clear. He's still going. Well, we did what we didn't want to do. I worried a deer and it ran off up the hillside. So we seen a deer today. Yep, come up to the campground now. I see a tent. Or a playground for the campers. Okay. Where are we? Fox Hollow Trail. What we got here? Always try to pick up a park map. It always helps. We want to go all the way to the back corner. Okay. Between 16 and 17. There we go. Okay, okay. A little difficult to find this. It's in between camper spot 16 and 17. So we are at the Rocky Knob. So let's get some photos. And we're off. Don't know if we see a wizard or not, but we're off. White Blaze. This trail is the White Blaze Trail. Yeah. The white man Blaze. Nailed him too. Boy, they nail these guys good. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, yeah, this is much different trail than the blue trail. This is some good looking stuff, I'll tell you. Creek. Blaze. Look at that. Some awesome stuff here. Okay. this is hiking. Take my time. Okay, let's start the descent. The grass not any more wet. And my left knee decided to release a little bit. Okay, I'm going to tell you, this is the first trail I've been on, Panther Creek, that I'm concerned about my well-being here. I'm turning sideways. Step down sideways. Yeah, we came down that right there. Wow. Look at the way that thing's indented. This is quite beautiful down through here. There's some rocks right here and some leaves and twigs. Doing a little back up. I got to figure out how to cross this creek. Here's the thing. I need to find me a blaze someplace. Where are the blaze at? See, you can see that there's some trailing there. There's some trailing here also. And Big Hill Pond. There's a blaze on top of the hill. I don't see any on any of the trees. And there's a trail over there, but it come on. Let's go this way. See what we can find. See if this goes anywhere. There's a pink doomahinky thing there. So I don't know if that's it or not. Very careful. I'm going to tell you, if it was summer, I wouldn't have crossed the creek. I'd have went right back up that hill. Okay, there we go. We're on the right trail. Because right there is a blaze on this side of the trail. Look at that. Look like there's something drove right down through here. Made a trail. Tire path. What the hell would drive down through here? Up and over. Yep. Stepped on that wrong. Heel went into a hole. Okay, there it is. There we go. Leap across. We're down in a swampish area. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this area. My. Low-lying areas can be a little boggy. Okay, here we go. This is not a well-worn trail once you cross the creek. I've now come to tree limbs are down. Let's go this way. No, I would not be down through here. Point over here. Yep. The last two blazes that I seen in all that woods disappeared.